Hey guys. Hope you all are doing great. Today, I have got something special for you. I will introduce you all with some of the best JavaScript crash courses available on YouTube. I will give all the links to these courses in the description box. Do check them out after watching this video. And remember, this is not a sponsored video. It's all our personal suggestion and opinion. We all know well how expensive are these courses on different platforms. So I have gone through a lot of stuff and selected some of the best free YouTube courses on JavaScript after a good research. Are you excited? Because we are. Let's not delay and get started quickly. First, Yahoo Baba. This JavaScript crash course in Hindi explain you every JavaScript programming point in detail. If you want to enter in the web development or mobile development, then you must learn JavaScript tutorial course. In this course you will learn how to use JavaScript with HTML. To become JavaScript master, you should learn all these JavaScript lessons videos in step-by-step method. Second, TOPA Technical. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a client-side scripting language which is also used in server-side programming. This channel is all about technical tips and tricks and designs and programming videos. Third, CodeWithHarry. This JavaScript tutorial will teach JavaScript from the beginning and move towards the advanced level. This tutorial also comes with a project where he touch upon JavaScript concepts using practical programming, so that you can learn JavaScript. You can create websites with client-side programming as well as with server-side scripting. These JavaScript lectures has a bunch of solved JavaScript exercises and quizzes, which ensures that you learn JavaScript quickly and effectively. Do you know, JavaScript was one of the most requested courses on this channel? Please comment me down. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Let's catch up in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and do share. And also, see the links given for keep you up to date.